We know that with everything that's going on in the world today, a lot of you who had been working outside of your house are now forced to be working from home. So we thought that we would share 3 tips for how to improve your temporary home office.
And so the first thing that obviously that you have to do is find a place in the house that can serve as your temporary office. So these tips are for once you've found that place, then how to improve it.
So tip number 1 is clear the clutter. You want to get rid of all of the junk. Either throw it out, so you're going to purge it, you're going to clean it, you're going to put it away.
And you might just be moving it somewhere else temporarily.
Yeah, and because a cleaner space is going to allow you to be more calm and be more focused.
So tip number 2 is to bring plants into the space.
Obviously.
We're fans of plants. So you can bring them from another room, or you might bring in more plants. And they actually help clean the air, so they help make you feel better, and they're healthy for you.
And then tip number 3 is clean your windows. Obviously, you want a space that has windows. You want to get as much natural daylight in. And when your windows are clean, you get more daylight in. I would recommend that you don't put your screens in yet because the bugs aren't out yet. This way you can open your windows. With the screens will block some of the light. And really right now, you want to be getting as much natural daylight in as you can.
So these tips are good for you even if you have a home office that you work out of all the time. You can always improve your space.
Yes. So your surroundings totally affect your life, your spirit, and your emotional well-being. Okay, everybody, be well.